Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Joy Fuller, the chief crafter for the Joyful Designs brand, here to bring you another DIY. So if DIYs on a budget is what you're looking for, then keep watching. And as always, it's time to craft. Let's go. Let's go, guys. So as you can see, I'm taking my pool noodle knife and I have cut the floral foam down to fit inside of this saucepan or pot that Uncle T was going to throw away. And you know, that is a no-no to a crafter. We can always do something to repurpose this item, and that's exactly what I'm doing, because I've taken this pot, spray painted it in some Krylon matte finish black spray paint, and now I am actually going to use the jute twine from Walmart to wrap around the handles, and on the handle edge I will be using some ribbon that I purchased from Dollar Tree, and it will be the ribbon that I am getting ready to wrap around the pot. Guys, I want to thank you all for your thoughts and your prayers. I'm feeling a lot better than I was last week. I did take time just to rest. You know, rest is essential, and I'm going to take care of Joy. Believe that. So thank you guys for your thoughts and your prayers. So with that being said, I want to welcome all of my new subscribers to the channel, and I want to thank all of my returning subscribers, especially those who are active subscribers. You know, my channel would not be where it is if it wasn't for each one of you taking a chance on little old me. So thank you guys for watching my videos to the end. Thank you for hitting that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. So what I've done is created a jute twine bow to put on the edge of the handle as well as in the front of the pot. Anytime I use jute twine in my projects, you will notice that I always burn the frays off. For my long-term subscribers, you all know that I like burning the frays. I just do not like that hairy look, but that's a whole nother story. If you like it, I love it. And so now I'm taking some yellow and white florals that I picked up from Walmart, Michael's, as well as Dollar Tree, and I am just creating a planter out of this saucepan / pot, and I think it turned out really cute. And you guys got to let me know what you think in the comment section of this video. And if you have yet to subscribe to my channel and you're just viewing my channels, you know, every time I upload something, please consider hitting that subscribe button and just becoming a part of the Joyful Subbies family. Make sure that after you click on that subscribe button, you also click on the notification bell. That way YouTube would notify you when Joy upload anything to her channel. Guys, I pray that you all are having a blessed day. It is Monday, April 15th. I hope you all have filed your taxes, and I hope that you are getting some type of return. Actually, the best thing is that you don't get a return, but nevertheless, guys, here is the reveal. I think this turned out cute, and again, I just styled it with some roses that I picked up from Michael's and some of those long stem florals from Dollar Tree. And look at the little gnome right there, he's so cute. And this, I think this turned out cute. You again, guys, let me know what you think in the comment section of this video, and I cannot wait. I will be bringing you, along with 4 of my good friends, a collaboration coming up on April 22nd. So stay tuned for that. But until the next video, have a great day, guys. Bye for now.